my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today's video, as you could tell by the title, it's gonna be a mukbang with Tijuana Flats. So this is my second one, and I don't know if I'm gonna keep doing these. I know it's not going to be a mukbang channel because the last one I did was Chick-fil-A. If you guys did not see that, go ahead and watch that video after this one. But anyways, yeah, I was in the mood for Chick-fil-A. Whoa, I was in the mood for Tijuana Flats. So I decided to do a mukbang and talk to you guys about it. But I got in this cup, I got strawberry lemonade, and I got like different sauces. This one is Smack My Ass habanero sauce, and I believe this one is the jalapeno sauce, and this one's Jason's mom's sauce or something like that. So yeah, what I got was a burrito. So yeah, and it comes with chips because Thursdays they do like they do like $5.99 burritos. So I got myself a burrito, the chicken burrito, and I got with black beans and I don't know what else, but yeah, I can't wait to eat it because I'm hungry. And it comes with chips. So this big burrito. And sometimes I don't like to eat the insides that much unless, well, it did have like stuff in it. Really, really good. Oh my God. I only have one napkin. It's really good, and I love it. I love the habanero sauce. It's like that's my favorite sauce from Tijuana Flats. Oh my God, it's so good. So yeah, this is not going to be a mukbang channel. If you guys comment that, it's not, because the other video that I made before this is a mukbang as well, but I'm not going to be a mukbang channel. I love anything that's spicy too. Like I could take spice. I was gonna get make it wet, which means you get like cheese on top, but it would be too messy for the video. Well, usually that's what I get. I get on my burritos the queso. And I dip my chips on it. So I might not even eat these chips because I like it with the cheese. And sometimes I stick my hot sauce in the chips. This is so good. Usually I have water too, but I didn't want to get water. Even though my shirt says taco on there, it says Sun Biking Taco and what's beach. I got a burrito. Oh my God. Oh my God, so good. I'm gonna try the other sauces. I know how the jalapeno one tastes because I've tried it, but I don't know how Jason's mom tastes. So let me open that one instead. And they're right here. They come in these black containers. I thought they were gonna give me the small ones. Usually they give you like the really small ones, but he gave me the big one. So let's see how the Jason's mom's taste. It's not even spicy at all. I don't know what else it said. Yeah, that's not spicy. Compared to the other ones, It kind of tastes kind of sweet. Mm. Mm. So good. Oh, my nose is starting to run. And it's not even that spicy. But I'm sticking a lot of habanero, that's why. Because I got used to the taste. Oh, I got jalapenos inside too, I forgot. Mm. Mm. So good, guys. Mm. I hope I'm making you guys crave for Tijuana Flats. And if you guys don't know what Tijuana Flats is, it's kind of like similar to Chipotle, but it's not really. It's Tex-Mex. But they sell similar things. But I feel like their quesadillas in Tijuana Flats is so much better than Chipotle, and they give you more stuff in there too. That's just my opinion. And it's really, really good. Their quesadilla, oh my god, it's to die for. Mm. Mm. I'm kind of getting full already. So, what could I talk about? I don't know what to talk about, really. I'm just talking about my food here, I guess, because that's how much I'm hungry. Talking about my food. Oh, I didn't get to see the Grammys, but I heard of that Lady Gaga, when she performed and when she got her award, she had her speech and everything, and I saw it on YouTube a little bit, just a little, but she deserved it. She deserved that award, I swear. No. The bean juice, oh my god. Black bean juice. Oh my god, I'm making a mess here now. No. I might just edit that out. Or not. To show you guys, it can get messy. Oh Lord. Really? That got me mad. But anyways, yeah, so she deserved her award. She worked so hard for that. She really did. When she first came out with like Poker Face and Bad Romance and Dance or something like that, I used to be a big fan of her. I'm still a big fan of her though. She has really good talent. Like, even live she can sing really good. What else? Oh, they're coming out with Frozen 2. I can't wait to watch that. I really can. I didn't get to see the trailer yet, but I saw it on trending on YouTube, and I really want to see it. I don't know what that was, but I heard something outside. Again. Oh, I'm getting full. just gonna try to finish my burrito and just leave the chips. Because I like the chips with the cheese. I mean the queso. Well, same thing, but their queso is so good. I need water though. I'm tired of well, I still have some. Let's see what else. So I talked about Frozen 2. Oh yeah, let me finish it with Frozen 2. So I really want to see that movie when it comes out. I really want to see it. What other movies are coming out? I don't even know. I don't even know what other movies are coming out. But they're, oh, Greta. I want to see Greta. Greta's coming out, I think, tomorrow, right? It said Friday, so I'm assuming this Friday? I don't know. But yeah, I want to see that movie too. It looks sick. Okay. So there's extra bread in here. I'm taking this off. Oh God. I'm so a mess right now. I'm really messy right now. I'm eating under this placemat because the wood, there's like no cover on there, so I hope I don't get it on the wood. Hopefully not. Oh, well, no, I did try the, well, I know how the jalapeno sauce, but let me do it just for the video. This is the jalapeno sauce. Ooh, I put too much on. It's okay. Even though it's really juicy. It's getting really messy. If I'm grossing you guys out, I am so sorry. I haven't eaten something messy on video ever in my life. Ever. This is like my second mukbang. Mukbang? I don't know what you call it. I'm trying to eat all the chicken. Oh, I am really getting full. There's one piece of chicken left. Okay. Well, I made a freaking huge mess. Oh God, it got so messy. I'm sorry. It got really messy. Oh my God, it got, oh, I took it on the wood. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to polish that and clean that up before I get in trouble. Okay. All right, I think I'm done. I'm done eating. I still have lemonade. Yep, I do. Yay. I love their strawberry lemonade. They left out, they took out pomegranate, which I don't know why. Oh, I am super full. I'm trying to get comfortable eating in front of the camera. This is so, like, whoever does really like mukbang channels, it is so hard to eat in front of the camera. And like, I don't know, it's just like, I don't know how to explain it, but I don't really like eating in front of the camera. Like, I think that's kind of weird, but I wanted to try something new the other time, and I wanted to do Tijuana Flats because I haven't posted anything on my channel, so I'm like, you know what, let's do today a mukbang. However you say it. How do you guys say it? Is it, like, pronounce it under the comments down. Is it mukbang or mukbang or mukbang? Like, how is it? I feel so stupid just asking that, but some people I see, like some of them mukbangs, and some of them say mukbang or some say mukbang. So, I don't know the right way to pronounce it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video of me eating, and it got really messy. Sorry for that if you guys don't like any messy eaters. But it wasn't my fault. It just came out really juicy and stuff inside. So that's why sometimes I don't order that much stuff inside of it. But I really wanted it like that. And I really wanted my queso, but it would have gotten really, really messy. Like really messy. My hands would have been like filled with queso, and I just didn't want to put it in the video. And thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you haven't. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.